So right off from the door, this is your bathroom. Nice sink, nice area, toilet. Do make sure to watch out for your step here because I trip over this so many times. And this one is going to be where the shower is. You have a tub, you have your nice shower here, nice sink. More than enough space for you to do what you got to do. We have the soaps here. I think these are actually the new soaps because they no longer have H2O. Then you have right from there, we have our closets here, which has more than enough space to hang things up if you need to. I'm probably gonna have to do that with some of my stuff. Have your safe at the bottom here. And then we'll open up this one. Again, way more space here, kind of his and hers, or his and his, hers and hers closet. So that way you can put all your stuff in there. Have nice little drawers and stuff. The camera's there, it doesn't come with the room. You have your drawers here, which you can put more stuff in. And then you have the main area, which is the bedroom, which we do have the nice, this is really nice. These like specialty blankets I think are really good quality. And of course they have the most amazing decals on them as well. But these are pretty cool, but the bed is amazing. You have your nice little lanyard as well. And of course, you get your little goodies. We are now silver, we're moving up in the world. So we are now getting all the gifts. This is awesome. You have your TV, and then you have your little section here if you want to do your makeup or if you wanted to do some like work. Don't do work because you're on vacation. You do also have your refrigerator here as well. It's a nice little fridge. It doesn't have a lot of space, but it's enough to like put drinks and, you know, extra goodies and stuff here. There's a freezer as well, which would be nice if you had like, you know, some ice cream, but you can eat it while you're going, you know what I mean? You don't really need that space, but yeah, so got a nice drawers here as well. You know, you have all your stuff here too if you wanted to put them all out. We'll probably do that because we're going to be here for 7 days. You have your little vanity as well, all your plugs. You don't have to have these specific plugs. They have like the regular plugs, as you can see, they convert into that. But if you did have these type of plugs, you can use those as well. And these will turn on your lights and stuff here as well, turn them on and off. And then another thing that I always tend to forget about is this drawer, which has all the different things that you may need as well. You have little postcards, envelopes. I believe we can take these. Yeah, these postcards you can take with you. So make sure you take these guys because these are, you know, included in what you've already been paying. This is for the morning. If you wanted to put in a request for different options here as far as what you see for breakfast and stuff, you can go ahead and do that. Pick the time that you want it to be delivered, and that way you can have it delivered to your room in the morning. If you know, say have an excursion that's early in the morning, you can't make it to Cabanas or your breakfast for the day. This just has a whole bunch of other information for you as well. Emergency contacts if you needed it. Just different things that you have here that, you know, you might need as well. And you do get a pen as well, so if you need to fill anything out, write some notes, anything like that, go ahead and do that. Again, make sure you take these because nobody does. But this right here, we have this pull-out bed as well, so this will double as a bed as well. If you have someone else who wanted to stay here, they can pull that out, but obviously it's just us two. But this is how it looks like from this view over here from the balcony. And then my favorite, absolute favorite part of the room on any Disney cruise is the balcony, which is a little bit difficult to open. You have to pull it down. Wow, this one was actually easy. I take that back. But oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look at this view at nighttime when you have the water. Oh my goodness, I just love this view. It is a little bit high up. Woo! I can feel myself getting a little tingly all over because of how high up it is, but it is definitely such a vibe. Oh, we're actually on the other side, so we'll be able to see like all of the like when we port and stuff like that, so that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
But this does also, if you have a family who is, you know, in this other room, they can take this divider down, which is awesome. So that way you guys can have a huge balcony, but you get a nice 2 chairs. You got a nice little table for you to put all your stuff on if you wanted to put your drinks or your food or anything like that. And then, of course, you're right in your room. So this is awesome.